even though we call it the AWS cloud, the services and the resources that we're going to be using are running in a data center on actual physical servers. And those data centers are positioned worldwide. Now, the basic building block of our global infrastructure is based on what we call a region. The region itself is not an actual physical thing. It is a collection of availability zones, or AZs. A typical region will have 3 availability zones within the region. We'll call them availability zone 1 or AZ1, AZ2, and AZ3. Well, this availability zone, it is, for all intents and purposes, a data center. It might consist of multiple physical buildings, but they will operate as one logical data center. They are interconnected between them with our own AWS network, which consists of optical fiber, high bandwidth, low latency network. Each availability zone has redundant power, networking connection, so they are redundant on their own. However, by putting them together, connected with our network, we can attain what we call high availability. And to have that, we put the availability zones at a certain distance of each other, actually a maximum of 100 kilometers, so that if something impacts one of our availability zones, it will not potentially disrupt the other availability zones. If we then put our resources, like our compute, for example, in each one of those availability zones, we have ourselves an actual highly available workload.